Hello, my name is Clemens Mitchell, and today I'm here at this congregation of combatants against the threat of acid rain. I feel that this is an appropriate spot for me to inform you about acid rain and its effect on society and yourself.
Acid rain occurs when water in the atmosphere contains relatively high amounts of various acids. Although human health is not directly affected by acid rain, it can reap environmental damage that will affect many plants, animals, and microbes. Controversy with acid rain arises because although rain contains a natural amount of acid, the unusual high levels that are seen today can be attributed to vehicle and industrial emissions.
Thank you, Chase. Now to Dante for the explanation of chemical processes of acid rain.
Nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide are released into the air via various industrial processes and via combustion. Nitrogen dioxide, once released into the air, can react with hydroxyl ions and create nitric acid, which can be one of the things that causes acid rain to be acidic. When sulfur dioxide reacts with hydroxyl ions, it creates HOSO2-, which can then react with oxygen to create SO3, which then reacts with water to create sulfuric acid, which is also an acid rain.
The acidic conditions caused by acid rain in the soil can kill various microbes and remove important nutrients. The denaturing of enzymes in soil can affect forests and other areas of plant growth. Dually in lakes and streams, lower pH levels caused by acid rain can prevent fish eggs from hatching, and if dramatically low, can even kill adults. These dilemmas warrant concern because they can interfere with natural processes necessary for an ecosystem's sustainment and continuation.
Stopping acid rain can be a problem because very little can be done to remove emissions that are already in the atmosphere. Because of this, the only real solution is decreasing any additional emissions that may be released in the atmosphere. The industrial element of this issue can be helped by the regulation of industrial emissions, including efforts to filter smokestacks of industrial plants and centers. This is not an effort that can be made by an individual, but there are many ways which one can help solve the problem. An individual can help by reducing their personal emissions and supporting companies that do the same. Examples of accessible solutions include choosing more efficient means of transportation and supporting the utilization of alternative power sources as opposed to oil burning.
Acid rain occurs when water in the atmosphere contains relatively high amounts of various acids. Although human health is not directly affected by acid rain, it can reap environmental damage that will affect many plants, animals, and microbes. Controversy with acid rain arises because although rain contains a natural amount of acid, the unusual high levels that are seen today can be attributed to vehicle and industrial emissions.
Here's our team hitting the streets, recognizing those environmental considerations that prompted your use of alternative modes of transportation.
Air pollution, overuse of oil, I guess.
Definitely. Have you heard of acid rain?
Yes.
So you're also conscious that you're helping fight that by walking rather than driving?
Yep.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad to hear it. Thanks for your efforts.
Okay.
So what has prompted you to use alternative modes of transportation?
Desire to stay in shape, and also an awareness of how we use energy affects.
So environmental considerations?
Yeah, partially.
Well, thank you for your efforts.
Sure.